Hey guys, how's it going? How to fix OnlyFans withdrawal delays. So, first of all, ensure your chosen payment method is valid and properly linked. Next, confirm that your account information is complete and correct, including tax and banking details. Next, familiarize yourself with OnlyFans withdrawal policies, including minimum withdrawal amount and processing times. Next, reach out to OnlyFans support directly for updates on your withdrawal status to address any potential issues. Next, be aware that withdrawals can take a few days to process, especially on weekends or holidays. Next, maintain clear records of your withdrawal requests and any communications with support for future reference. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.